If you are attending a winter wedding, then this is the makeup you need. So before starting my makeup, I'm using the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I always take my time to prep my skin properly. This helps soften my dry patches and create a natural glow from within. Then today I'll be using this Himalaya lip balm to hydrate my lips. This lip balm is really creamy and provides that moisture to my lips. Then for primer, I'm using this e.l.f. Putty Primer. So I take this product and gently press it into the areas I want to smooth, and I use a small patting motion. Now that my skin is all prepped, I'm moving on to the foundation from Yinsa and L'Oreal Infallible. I'm taking a small amount and then gently building the coverage. I make sure that you take the time to blend the foundation so that there is no any patchiness. I also like to build my foundation slowly, starting with a light layer and adding more only where I need it. Then for concealer, I'm going on with this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I'm applying it under the eyes, around the nose, and on any areas that need a little extra coverage. Instead of covering the entire under eye area, I'm using a light strokes and placing the product only where it makes the most difference. So I'm taking this LYS contour stick to softly shape and define my face. I'm applying it along the cheekbones, the sides of the forehead, and lightly around the jawline. This contour blends beautifully into the skin and gives a soft shadow instead of a strong, heavy line. Then for blush, today I'll be going for TYS Beauty in the shade Drip. I like to start right on the apples of the cheek and gently lift upward toward the temples. Then I use this pink lips setting powder and press it into the sides of the nose, center of the forehead, and chin. This is where my makeup breaks down fastest, and using a puff here gives maximum longevity and minimizes shine. Today for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this BH Cosmetics Naughty palette, and I'm using this a lighter nude shade and applying it on my eyelids. I use light-handed motion and apply it back and forth. Then to add some glitter to my eyes, I'll be using this golden glitter, and with my fingers I apply it so that I get the pigment. Then I'll be taking that same nude eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lashes as well. Then I brush out all my setting powder. To add that glow to my face, I'll be using this Wonder Beauty highlighter and applying it on the higher points of my cheeks and on the center of my face. For mascara, I'll be using this Smashbox Super Fan Mascara and apply it on my upper as well as lower lashes. Then to finish up that look, I'm using this Maybelline Super Vinyl Ink lipstick in the shade Mischievous and applying it on my lips. And voila, this is how the makeup turned out to be. If you guys liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next one.